Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2010 1600 Triumph Thunderbird. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Triumph. It is really low mileage, this one. It does come with a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike for you. It's in a nice metallic red, lots of chrome on it as well. It's got all the extra lights on the front there and the big screen. Let's have a look at this front wheel, and it has also got ABS on this model as well. Let's get a look there, it's got the radiator cover on it. Let's get a good look over the tank. It does have the tank pad there with a little bag on it as well. Get a look in at the engine. Get a look at the chrome work on the side. It's got the big saddlebags on the side as well, and the backrest. On the seat, you've also got a plug there for an optimizer. Keep your battery optimised. Get yourself an optimizer and plug it in. It is a good sign that it's been dry stored with the optimizer on it. Let's have a look over the top of the tank. See the Triumph bag there on the front with a leather protector over there. Get a good look over the top of the seats. Good look in the side there as well. It's got the rack on the back as well, extra luggage rack on there. Let's get a look down at the back brake if we can. We'll move over to the right hand side. Get a look at the bag on this side. Let's get a look down here. As you can see, it is belt driven. So a belt rather than a chain on this. Get a look at the chrome work down here, all looking nice and shiny. Get a look at the side of the tank as well. We'll finish up having a quick look around this front wheel. What we'll do now, we'll go have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a quick look up at the controls. So you've got standard layout on this. You've got your front brake, your throttle, you've got your kill switch there, information button, that's for the dash on there, starter. Now we'll move over to the other side. We've got your clutch, and you've got your lights, your indicators and your horn. So let me just lean down and turn the ignition on. Let's get a look at the miles, and it is low mileage. It's only done 5,513 miles. Okay, let's start this up and let's tip run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, we can do that for you and send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.